Welcome everyone, today I'll be making a tutorial on these lemon or orange squares, depends on which colors you use. Yeah, I love this pattern so much, it is a bit more advanced, but I will try to explain it as simply as possible so that everyone can join in. I've already made quite a few of these, and I'm planning to make a tote bag with them, so if that's finished before the video, I'll make sure to show it to you at the end, but for now I'm still working on the squares, so I will be showing you how to make them today. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. To crochet this orange/lemon square, all you need is your favorite crochet hook and a pair of scissors. White yarn does not have to be this big, either just yellow yarn or yellow and a darker yellow or orange, and any color you would like the rest of the granny square to be. So to start, we will be grabbing our yellow yarn. I'm going to start off with a slip knot. I like to make mine like this. And then we're going to chain 4. After you've done that, you're going to stick your hook through the first chain and pull it through both loops, like that. Then we're going to chain 2 and rotate. And then you're going to find the center of your circle and put a double crochet. We're going to make 11 double crochets, so including the beginning chain, we will have 12 double crochets. I personally prefer putting the last 2 crochets after the beginning chain. I just think it makes it look a bit more flawless. After we've done that, we're going to find the beginning chain and put our hook through the top, and then just pull your hook through both gaps to close the circle. Now you've got the first beginning circle, and we're going to make a double chain, and then a double crochet in the first stitch. Then another double crochet in that same stitch, then onwards to a double crochet in the second stitch, and a second double crochet in that second stitch. And we're going to continue around the whole circle, putting 2 double crochets in each stitch. Then once we get to the last stitch, I like to put one last double crochet for our beginning chain, so that one also has 2 double crochets. Then put your hook through the beginning chain, and I like to switch colors at this point because if you don't, you might see a little yellow sticking out in the next circle. So after you've cut your first color, you're going to grab your second, loop it onto your hook, and then pull it through both loops, just like that. Then we're going to chain 1, and then put a single crochet in the first stitch. And now what I do is I put my hook through the center. On the other side, I will grab my yarn, pull it very loosely, pull it through, and then put a single crochet through that. So it will look like this. It's basically an extended single crochet. Then I like to look for the next stitch behind that and put a single crochet in there. Then put another single crochet and one more until you have 3, like that. And you will do the same thing, so through the middle, grab it from the back, pull it through, put a single crochet through, and this. You will continue this around the whole circle, putting 3 stitches in between each. So then we're going to do our last long single crochet and put one more single crochet in here. I like to put my hook through the first stitch and then switch colors again. We'll now switch to our darker yellow or orange, whichever one you prefer. Then you're gonna put it on your hook and pull it through both again, and then chain 1. Then we're going to do a single crochet in each of stitches that you've made in previous round. So you're just going to go around the whole center. And once you get to the end, we are going to do the same thing we did both other times. We're going to put our hook through and then switch colors. I've got a little example of what happens if you don't do it, and if you just finish the round and then switch colors, you will get this. This is also a lemon square, by the way. You just use your same yarn for the center as for the peel, but I prefer using the method that I'm doing right now, because otherwise you will end up with something like this. So now we're going to switch to our background color. Just pull that through, and then chain 1, and then find the first stitch, do a single crochet, then another single crochet in the next stitch, then a double crochet in the third, and another double crochet, then another double crochet, and then a double crochet in that same stitch. Then we are going to chain 2, put another double crochet in that same stitch, and one last double crochet in that same stitch. So you should have 4 double crochets and 2 chains in one stitch. Then we're going to continue with a double crochet in the next one, and another double crochet, then a single crochet, another single crochet, and one more. And then we're going to switch to the double crochet again, and another double crochet in the next, and you're going to continue like this. So you're going to do 3 single crochets, 2 double crochets, and then 4 double crochets and 2 chains in the corner. So you're going to do another 2 double crochets, 3 singles, and until you come back to the beginning. So once you've gone all around, you're going to put your hook through the first stitch, pull it through like that, and then chain 2. So after we've chained 2, we're going to do a double crochet in each stitch. Until we get to the corner, we will put 2 double crochets in the hole, chain 2, put another 2 double crochets in the hole, and then continue going around with your double crochets, and then do this at each corner. So once you get to the end of the circle, you're just going to do the same thing we did each round. Pull it through. I like to do 1 more single crochet before I pull out my yarn, and I like to cut my ends spaciously and pull the end through and tighten it. And then here you go. This is a finished orange granny square. As you can see, by using the method of switching yarn a bit earlier, you will not have any mistakes. You can see the back still needs to be trimmed, but yeah, you can use these in tote bags, in tops, in bucket hats, maybe even. Yeah, it's a very fun, fresh granny square. You can personalize it with your own colors, and yeah, if you make one of these, please send me on Instagram. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot. A huge thank you to all my friends for letting me use their music. I've linked all of them down below. I also make music myself, so if you want to check that out, I've also linked it. I upload new videos every Thursday and Sundays. If you don't want to miss any of those, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!